It is important that a patron's record is updated after a reservation. If a meeting room was in poor condition after the group left, or if a patron continually cancels on reservations or doesn't show up, it's important that the library knows. Once a reservation time has passed and a meeting is over, you can modify the reservation by logging into the librarian view of the meeting room reservation system. For information on how to log into the librarian view, please watch the previous video in this series entitled The Librarian View. From the home page, click on the Accepted Reservations link under the Quick Access toolbox. This will display all of the accepted reservations in the system. To find a specific reservation, use the search toolbar to the left to narrow down your search. For example, let's use this reservation. Let's say they left the room in a state of disrepair after their meeting. We need to make a note of such behavior when considering any future requests from this group or patron. To alter a reservation's internal classification, click on the View option. Scroll down and you will see that two fields are editable in this view. These are the internal classification status fields. The first is a drop-down that allows you to select what sort of classification this reservation falls under. These range from high praise, such as great user, allow any time, to the less desirable, deny all future requests. Make your selection and click the Update Classification button. You can also add notes in the space below to expand upon the assessment if you wish. To save these changes, click the same button after completing this field. You can also update the attendance count by entering the field and clicking Update Attendance. When a librarian looks up this patron in the future, they'll be able to see your comments. It's important to take note that you won't have this option if you click the Edit button for a record. While this might seem like the more logical choice, you won't find the editable fields under the record if you come in from that way.